Messrs. Aircraft Builders undertook a contract for a contract price of rupees 60 lakh. So what was the contract price? 60 lakh. And what is the name of the builder? Messrs. Aircraft. And commence the work on 1st of July 2017. Matlab the work is not started from 1st April or you can say from the 1st Jan, but it is started from the 1st of July 2017. The following particulars are available for the 9 months ended 31st March 2018. They have given us the year end, that year end is 31st March. And this data which has been available is for a 9 months. Obviously, क्यों 9 months? क्योंकि start कब से हुआ है? 1st July से. Just for this reason, the information which is available with us will be for a 9 months. Material issued from the store. अगर store से material issue किया, where you write it down? Contract account debit side. Material brought directly. आपने directly material लेके आए. So again, this is a material and it will be recorded in the expense है. Contract account debit side. Wages paid, direct expenses, establishment charges. Again, all these three are the expenses and you need to write down in the contract account debit side. Next one is plant 6,50,000. तो अगर plant purchase कर रहे हैं तो write it down on the contract account debit side and इसका जो भी closing होगा that you are going to write down on the contract account credit side. Now, as I told you, there is a two way. इधर या तो opening closing record करो या तो फिर क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ depreciation का effect देंगे. So in the previous sum when we did, हमने क्या किया था, हमने ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग बैलेंस लिखा था. तो हम ये सम में क्या करेंगे, हम ये देखेंगे कि डेप्रिसिएशन का इफेक्ट डायरेक्टली हम कैसे दे सर, डायरेक्टली हाउ टू राइट डाउन द डेप्रिसिएशन without writing down the opening and closing, because ultimately it will adjust the effect. Next is subcontract charges. Again, subcontract charges are debited in the contract account. Scrap sold, आपने जो भी scrap था वो सेल कर दिया, contract account credit side. Work certified, again contract account credit side. The following further information was available. Outstanding wages and the direct expenses were 10,000 and 20,000 respectively on 31st March 2018. Now we have outstanding wages as well as the expenses. So what will be the effect? Obviously, you are going to add this in the जो भी outstanding wages है वो आप wages में add करोगे, जो भी direct expenses है उसको expenses में add करोगे. Material at site at the end of this year is valued at 1,20,000. So material at the site, matlab closing material is given. This 1,20,000 is nothing but it is your closing material. Value of work uncertified is 2 lakh on 31st March 2018. ठीक है. So value of work uncertified also where you write down. Contract account credit side. How you write it down? WIP लिखते हो. WIP के अंदर you write it down. Material at site, work certified and work uncertified. Next is wages included. Included in the wages is the salary paid to the supervisor at the rate 30,000 per month. हमने क्या किया है, वेजेस में क्या इंक्लूड कर दिया है, सैलरी को इंक्लूड कर दिया है. ठीक है, और वो भी किसकी, सुपरवाइजर की सैलरी को इंक्लूड किया, जो हम 30,000 रुपीज उनको दे रहे हैं पर मंथ. हु हैज डिवोटेड हाफ ऑफ हिज टाइम टू द हिज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. उसने क्या किया है, इसमें से आधा टाइम उसने किसमें दिया है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में दिया है. करेक्ट. अब देखो, वी डोंट हैव अ सैलरी का अमाउंट गिवन ओवर हियर. क्या हमारे पास सैलरी का अमाउंट है? नहीं. पर क्या हमारे पास वेजेस का अमाउंट है? यस, वी हैव अ वेजेस पेड ऑफ 19 लाख रुपीज. अब 19 लाख रुपीज में से 30,000 रुपीज एवरी मंथ. ठीक है, तो 30,000 एवरी मंथ मीन्स हमारे पास 9 मंथ है ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो 30,000 इंटू 9 मंथ, एंड उसने सिर्फ आधा टाइम उसका डिवोट किया है ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में. ठीक है, तो आधी सैलरी, आधा जो वेजेस में से अमाउंट होगा वो सैलरी में चला जाएगा. सो यू विल हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट द सुपरवाइजर सैलरी. ठीक है, इसमें वेजेस में से आप क्या करोगे, सबट्रैक्ट कर दोगे, क्योंकि उसने हाफ ऑफ द टाइम डिवोट कर दिया था कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए. तो एंड यू विल डिवाइड इट बाय 2. नेक्स्ट वन इज working life of the plant is to be estimated 5 years, at the end of which it is estimated to realize 50,000 as a scrap value. The plant was purchased exclusively for this contract only. ये प्लांट सिर्फ और सिर्फ किसके लिए खरीदा गया था? ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए खरीदा था. Now this is the which from this information we can easily calculate the depreciation. कैसे? जो भी प्लांट जितने में परचेज किया उसमें से स्क्रैप वैल्यू को इफ यू सबट्रैक्ट, मतलब कॉस्ट माइनस स्क्रैप वैल्यू, एंड इफ यू डिवाइडेड बाय एन एस्टिमेटेड लाइफ, यू गेट द अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, डेप्रिसिएशन भी कितने मंथ्स के लिए चार्ज होगा? ओनली फॉर एन 9 months. सो यू हैव टू, जो भी आंसर आएगा यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 9 डिवाइड बाय 12. डन. So prepare contract account for the year ended 31st March 2018. So we have to prepare a contract account for 31st March 2018, and this was a sum which was been asked in the year 2001 in the month of April. So let's prepare a contract account. Give the heading in the books of Messrs Aircraft Builders, or you can write down in the books of Messrs Aircraft, or directly you can write it down Messrs Aircraft Builders. Or directly write it down Messrs Aircraft Builders. Debit credit contract account for the year ended 31st March 2018, particulars rupees, particulars rupees. You even need to do the working notes as well. Depreciation का आएगा, wages का working note आएगा. Done. So we can start with the posting part. First one is material which is issued from store. So it will be recorded in the contract account debit side. So to material 4 lakh. To material brought directly. So to material 20 lakh. Is wages paid, but we need to do the working note for the same. In the bracket, you just write down working note. So let's do over here the working note. Wages. Wages paid. 19 lakh. ऐसे सबसे पहले तो हम ऐड कर देंगे आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेस. Outstanding wages is amounting to rupees 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 will be added. So the total will be how much? 19 lakh 10,000. उसमें से supervisor has devoted half of this time to his contract, and included in the wages is the salaries. में से salary का amount है. So supervisor's salary. $30,000 into 9 months. Multiply by 1 divide by 2. Because he is giving half of his time. will be equal to 1,30,000. Subtract and see. 17,75,000. Go in the wages and write down 17,75,000. Next is direct expenses. So 2, it's outstanding. So 3 lakh. Add outstanding expense. $20,000. This will be equal to 3,20,000. Is establishment charges. So 2 establishment charges. 1,50,000. प्लांट है तो उसका डेप्रिसिएशन का वी नीड टू डू द वर्किंग नोट. Here I am writing down depreciation. This is equals to cost minus scrap value divided by estimated life. So cost is how much? 6,50,000 minus scrap value is 50,000, which is given in the other information. Whole will be divided it by estimated life. What is the estimated life over here? 5 years. Multiplied by 9 divided by 12. Why? Because this we wanted for a 9 months only. This will be equal to how much? 90,000. The value of depreciation is 90,000. So you need to write it down in the debit side. To depreciation on plant. Next is subcontract charges. So two subcontract charges. Next is scrap value. That is a scrap has been sold. So by sale of scrap. Next, you have to write it down WIP. So by WIP, we have to first write material at site because it is given in the other information that we have a material which has been there. 1 lakh. Then we have a work certified. So write it. Work uncertified. Work uncertified was of 2 lakh. We have recorded almost each and everything. Still you have one glance कि whether कुछ रह तो नहीं गया ना अपना. Just have a look once. No, we have posted each and everything. So now we need to first find out the notional profit. तो देखते हैं. Credit side the total is 53,50,000. Debit side ka it is 48,85,000. So obviously credit is higher than the debit. So write it down this on both the sides. 53,50,000. Getting the notional profit. Carried down. This minus 4,65,000. This national profit will be brought down. So by notional brought down 4,60,000. Now we need to find out how much it will go in the profit and loss account. दूसरा reserves में कितना जाएगा? Now you just tell me. Do we have a cash received का information which has been given in this sum? No. क्या हमें ये पता है कि कितना वर्क सर्टिफाइड हुआ है, मतलब परसेंटेज ऑफ द वर्क सर्टिफाइड? We had an amount, but we don't have any percentage, correct? So how to take it up then? Contract price देखो कितने का है? 60 lakh. And work certified is of a 50 lakh. तो almost, इससे हमें ये आइडिया आ जाएगा कि हमें कौन सा फॉर्मूला लेना है. तो हम 2/3 वाला फॉर्मूला वी कैन यूज इट अप, because more than 50% but less than 100% has been covered. So you can use a 2/3 wala formula, but we cannot use the whole of this. Why? Because we don't have a cash receipt with us. So we can only take that the profit taken to the profit and loss account will be 2/3 of your notional profit. So just find it out. Just doing it over here. Profit. Profit and loss account. Third of divided by 3. We got a profit of 4,65,000. That 10,000. So profit and loss account. To WIP. Basically, this is reserve. $4,65,000 will be written on both the sides. Here the reserves will be 4,65,000 minus 3,10,000. So 1,55,000 will be your reserve.